Today we're talking about the distance and midpoint formula. The distance formula calculates the distance between 2 points in a coordinate plane, where the distance between 2 points in a coordinate plane is equal to the square root of the sum of the horizontal change and the vertical change squared. So distance is equal to the square root of x sub 2 minus x sub 1 squared plus y sub 2 minus y sub 1 squared. If we need to find the distance between point M, which is at 6, 3, and point N, 5, 7, we will use the distance formula. D is equal to the square root of x sub 2 minus x sub 1 squared plus y sub 2 minus y sub 1 squared. So let's label our ordered pairs. This would be ordered pair number 1, so x sub 1, y sub 1, and this can be ordered pair number 2, x sub 2, y sub 2. If we substitute into our equation, the square root, x sub 2 is 5 minus 6 squared plus 7 minus 3 squared. 5 minus 6 is negative 1 squared plus 4 squared. Negative 1 squared is 1, 4 squared is 16. This is equal to the square root of 17. Is the square root of 17 a perfect square? No. Can we approximate? We can approximate, more or less. So the square root of 17 falls between what and what? So between the square root of 16 and the square root of 25. We know that the square root of 16 is 4, and the square root of 25 is 5. So is 17 closer to 16 or 25? So we can approximate the square root of 17 to 4. The coordinates of the midpoint of a segment are the average of the endpoint's x-coordinate and the average of the endpoint's y-coordinate. So the midpoint formula says that the midpoint is equal to x sub 1 plus x sub 2 divided by 2. So this is the average of the x-coordinates. And y sub 1 plus y sub 2 divided by 2. This is the average of the y-coordinates. We need to find the midpoint M of the segment with endpoints 3, 8, and negative 9, negative 4. Let's start with writing down the formula. Let's label our ordered pairs 1 and 2. And now we can substitute into our formula. So x sub 1 is 3 plus negative 9 divided by 2, our comma. Y is going to be 8 plus negative 4 divided by 2. 3 plus negative 9 is negative 6 divided by 2. 8 plus negative 4 is 4 divided by 2. Negative 6 divided by 2 is negative 3. 4 divided by 2 is 2. That means that our midpoint will be at negative 3, 2.